everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change Discord server image. So for that, open the Discord application. Once you open the Discord app, you need to tap on the three dotted lines on the top left. Tap that, and from there you tap open the server to which you want to change the image to. Tap open that server name. So this is the server that I want to change the profile picture to. For that, tap on the dotted line just beside the server name. Tap that, then tap on settings in here, then tap on the plus icon on the box to add a server image. Choose the photos option. Now from there you can select a picture that you want to have on your Discord server. Tap upon that, tap upon the picture, and then tap on the tick mark on the top right. This will save the changes and change the server picture. You can see the server image being changed. So this is how you can change a Discord server image. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.